She works as a registered nurse, but when Stephany Alcala sheds her scrubs, the Miami native says she is unhappy with the size and shape of her butt.
I want the projection.
The 25-year-old knows what she wants, a voluptuous booty like Kim Kardashian. Stephany has tried all sorts of butt-enhancing exercises to no avail. Now, Nurse Stephany has decided to get butt lift surgery. And you won't believe how she's doing it. Stephany is doubling down on fatty foods.
Fat is the new gold in plastic surgery.
Miami cosmetic surgeon Dr. Constantino Mendieta says he's seen an 85% increased demand for butt lift surgery, all due to Kim Kardashian.
When you're looking here, where is your eye focusing? What do you like?
This projection right here.
You want to go big.
Yes, I want to go big.
When Stephany weighs in, she saw that she gained 12 pounds of fat.
That little S curve, look at that. That is what's gorgeous on her.
Dr. Mendieta marks the fat-rich deposits that will be harvested to create that Kim K butt.
I want all this to go here.
It's a 3-hour procedure.
And her fat's coming out beautifully soft.
Dr. Mendieta first lipos the fat cells from Stephany's back, hips, and tummy.
Women are looking for sexiness. They could never achieve this with either dieting or exercise.
The fat is then drawn into syringes.
I'm going to inject in a fanning type of motion like this and in different layers. 2 to 3 pounds per side. Kim, you see this huge swoop. It goes in and comes out, goes in and comes out. Now let me show you over here. It comes in and it goes out.
Stephany is fitted with a body girdle, then wheeled into recovery. But just 3 weeks later,
It is a dream come true. I finally have a Kim K butt.
Stephany can't even squeeze her new curves into her jeans. Stephany's best friend took her shopping at Miami's Emporium Boutique.
Oh my God. Oh my God, you look beautiful.
Here's Stephany before and after.
The hips, the curves, the scoop. I feel amazing.